And today we are talking about, I think I, the only person who is why I like Harry Potter. Like if you're wondering why I like Harry Potter, it's because of Ate Casey. I mean, before I was literally like 7 years old. I was a brat. Like I was such a bad friend, and she was like such a good friend. Like shout out to her. Honestly, I mean, I wouldn't even know who was Malfoy if it wasn't for her. I wouldn't even be watching Hogwarts. I wouldn't even want to read the books if it wasn't for her. Yeah, that's why I'm such a big Harry Potter fan. So, she's such a big Harry Potter fan that literally her worst fear is, Moldy Voldy. Yeah, her worst fear is Voldemort. Oh, I said the name. I said the name. I said the name. I should not have said that. I should not have said that. But it's okay, right? I mean, she was really, she was a really big Harry Potter fan. By the way, while I was like 7, she was like yeah, 9. She was 9, which I bet now she's 11. 11. I have no idea, or she's 10. I have no idea, but yeah, we were literally like best friends, like besties. Okay, no offense to Jacob. I mean, now you're my bestie, but yeah, Patricia and Jacob. Yeah, I mean, like, you're my besties now, but before I don't. Well, she wasn't my bestie. She was my best friend because yeah. By the way, it was that time where I also like, wait, it was like this. We would always draw like this cute drawing. It was like, by the way, it was like so cute. We would be riding a broom. I think, um I think I was at the front of the broom, while she was also riding at the back of my broom, and Huggy Wuggy was somehow also riding. Like, isn't he too heavy? Like, that's 3 people, okay? Like, 3 people, it's heavy, but with Huggy Wuggy, no. Also, how I remember is, oh yeah, she also likes purple. By the way, if you're her friend, Casey, okay, Casey. By the way, her profile in Messenger is literally just her. I think she had a blue shirt on. Yeah, she had a blue shirt on. Just like on the floor, or you know, which yeah, she was like a good friend. So she loved purple. She also loved cats as well. Me too. Me too. By the way, now my favorite color is purple and green. But now, okay, let's look. Okay, my number one favorite color is green. Now, I mean, I also like purple. So yeah, let's, two of them. They're gonna be at the number one. Yeah. And then my second one, yeah, it was black. Yeah, that, no, never mind it. Okay, and my third one is pink. I know a lot of you are like, wait, but you hated pink before. Yes, I did. In my old channel, Fox Queen Annika. I hated Fox Queen Annika. She was like so cringe, and for some reason she would bully like softies. I hated Fox Queen Annika. She was so cringe. Wait, I'm actually like glad I delete that channel is deleted, gone, forbidden. Because